welcome all of you to be here.
Little louder.
I welcome all of you to be here to cover our sports, which is a needed thing, and awareness to the society as well as confidence to the physically challenged people. So my thanks to you. We have completed 40 years of this service and nearly 5 lakh people have been given, and it is not only in Madras, it is in India as well as around the world. We have gone in these 40 years, opened many workshops and doing, and the most beautiful part of this thing, what we are doing is 14 people have come into Paralympic and International Olympic. One of our person whom we gave artificial limb at the age of 2, we made him study the Shishya school, and now he is world's 5th Paralympic champion. So these things are very satisfying, and this happiness, you are not helping one person, but you are helping whole family. Even the country comes in between this because they do the job and take care of their children. They are not a burden to the society. That is why I chose to serve this cause. So we all are here to give confidence, self-respect to the people who have been neglected for long. So it is time we should give. Any question?
You can ask question if you want.
जॉब फेयर में बोल
Job wala, job
जॉब
work.
फेयर बोल
We have done job fair also. In that nearly 300 participants came. In that 150 people were given job, which was very rare, and I am thankful to all the companies who came and gave the job to them.
Are you planning to give sports persons full-time training kind of things?
We are giving training, vocational training also, computer classes going on, tailoring classes going on. Ladies, we are giving beautician courses. Lot of these courses are
Stitching.
ongoing. Stitching. You will be surprised, saying stitching, 2 blind ladies came to learn the stitching, and they got a job also. But they only can make bed sheets or pillows, the straight stitching. But it is very satisfying to see even a blind person doing all that.
Are you with the government? Are you working with the government to?
No government aid is there. From past 40 years, Mukti is surviving on the friends, well-wisher, and the CSR is a very important role playing. So these are the things which are helping us. One of the main sponsor founder is here, Mr. Goenka, and our chief guest,
नमस्ते
Tejasvi and Shiv Goenka, and they all are like a pillars to us, to Mukti. So, and of course, press has played a big role, because when I started, I was in a garage and no one knew it, no one was coming. Once a Rani magazine interviewed, and after that, nearly 600 applicants come. So that is the power of press, where we need that people should know that something is existing like this and they can come. And our limbs are not only Jaipur limbs, we have added many more new technology for hand, upper thing and lower thing, caliper, lot of things we are doing. And of course, any one of you who are free, please do come and visit.
Class center.
एनिमल काउ
Nahi.
Okay. I am Tainmuri, Regional Deputy Director, WCCB. I am the chief guest for today's function, so I thank Madam and MS Dada Foundation for making me the chief guest, so that I get an opportunity to see the competition where inclusion is a primary principle, because we see many people doing sports activity, who are very normal beings, but people with physical challenges taking it seriously as a competitive sport is a great thing. It is a great inspiration for all, and I feel proud of being a part of this event. Thank you.